Hello guys, welcome to Howsta. In this video, I will show you how to convert your portrait video tutorial in CapCut into landscape mode. And if you are new of my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out of my upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Open Play Store on Android and App Store on iOS. Type CapCut. Assuming to download. Press the new project. Select a clip. After you select, press the Add tab. Then, press the Overlay. And what you chose in the beginning, chose it again. Then, press Splice button and select Lythen. And now, we are going to pinch the tracks fitted in the screen, which ratio is 16:9. To do that, we are going to use our two fingers. Watch it. Click the main track and pinch it. For me, I pinched the main track to the left side, while the overlay track is in the right side. And review if it is synchronized. And if it is already synchronized, see what it's like. That's all for today's video tutorial, and don't forget to comment so I can answer your other questions to make another video again.